Warning lights keep appearing on your Audi? Does your Audi suddenly not feel like it used to? Hesitation? Loss of power? Higher fuel consumption? Poor acceleration? Check engine light? Your first move doesn't always have to be an expensive trip to the repair shop. Start here. OBD2. For relatively little money, this small diagnostic tool can give you valuable information about what your Audi is detecting and potentially save you from spending money replacing parts blindly. And you don't need to be a mechanic to perform a basic scan. This is about simple first-step diagnosis for your Audi. Step 1. Find the OBD2 port. The exact location can vary by model, but it's usually under the dashboard. Step 1. Find the OBD2 port. The exact location can vary by model, but it's usually under the dashboard. Step 3. Scan. The device communicates directly with your Audi's diagnostic modules. Step 4. Read the code. The scanner gives you a diagnostic trouble code, a clue telling you which system needs investigation. Clearly understand, a fault code does not automatically mean you should replace that component immediately. Example 1. Check engine light. Instead of guessing, just connect, scan, and read the code. Example 2. Loss of power or hesitation. A scan may reveal information on engine management or ignition. Example 3. Higher fuel consumption. A scan helps determine where further investigation should begin. The message is simple. Stop guessing. Scan first to get the facts. The message is simple. Stop guessing. Scan first to get the facts. It won't repair the car for you, but it can help you understand what direction to investigate, saving you time and money. If you don't have an OBD2 scanner yet, I've tagged some affordable diagnostic scanners directly with this video. Tap the featured products to check the current price and any special offers available through the products linked here. If a promotion is currently available, you may be able to get one at a significantly reduced price. Prices can change. Don't immediately erase a fault code. First, read it, save it, understand it. Then investigate the cause. Clearing the light doesn't repair the problem. For serious warnings like oil or brakes, seek professional assistance. Before we continue, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It's free for you, but essential for us to keep creating these guides. Leave a like and tell me in the comments which Audi you drive and what problem you're trying to solve. Check engine light, loss of power, hesitation, higher fuel consumption? Don't guess. Scan first. Audi owners, stop the guesswork. Diagnose first and repair second. It's the smartest way to maintain your vehicle. Tap the products to check the current price and promotions. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It's free for you, essential for us.